Someone asked me how to take apart and clean a Shark Power Detect floor head. Your wish is my command. I started taking this apart to make another amazing video and then I stopped. This thing is a nightmare, even by Shark standards. The plastics are thin, there's hidden screws and it's absolutely laced with electricals. Trust me, don't go there. Babe, I broke vacuum cleaner again. So instead I'm going to show you how to clean it properly without taking it apart. There's no screws and no risk. First step is to grab a coin and we're going to unlock the two plastic screws that are holding the sole plate in place. This is the bit with the rubber ridges on. Next, the front roller, the soft one. Press the release button at the end and then just pull the roller out. Now we're going to run a sink full of warm soapy water. Now there's no set rules, just lob them in and we're going to scrub both parts with a toothbrush. Now, the important thing is, with your soft roller especially, that you rinse it really well once you've scrubbed it, because if you don't, the detergent will stay in there and when it dries it will be a little bit stiff, it won't be lovely and soft. So rinse that well and then dry them both out as much as you can with a cloth or some paper towel. We are not going to put them back on the vacuum cleaner until they are fully dry, okay? We need to leave them, let's say, for 24 hours in a nice warm dry place. Whilst these are drying, we're going to clean the clear part of the floor tool, the bit you've all come for. We cannot remove the brush. We don't want to do that, it's too risky. Also, because there's so many electrics in this thing, please do not use any water or spray loads of stuff on this, okay? If it gets in a gap, it's gonna break your vacuum cleaner. So for the front part, we just get a wipe or a microfiber cloth or anything like that, and we're just going to wipe it, nice and easy. The back of the brush, we have the comb bit. If you've got anything stuck in there, I don't know, like sweets or cat litter or something, just poke that out with a skewer. If you've not got a skewer, use a screwdriver or something like that. Once you've done that, you can then clean this back part with a damp toothbrush, not too wet, and then dry it straight away with a microfiber cloth. But how do we get to the window that sits above the brush? Well, that's easier than you think. We're going to get a cloth or a wipe or anything like that. It needs to be damp but not wet, and we're going to trap it at the front of the brush, okay? Just start at one end and work your way across, and then we're going to roll the brush backwards. So basically, it's then going to bring the cloth so it's trapped between the brush and the window. Now I know mine isn't too bad and yours might be worse. Don't worry, it might just take you longer than it does me, okay? Tactics are the same. Just put your cloth in and just keep moving your brush backwards and forwards and then it'll clean the window eventually, okay? Once you've cleaned all the dirt from your window, just go over with a microfiber cloth, doing the same thing just to polish it up and dry it off at the same time. Don't go in from the back where the toothed comb is because your cloth will just get caught. Now the brush bar itself, again, yours might be worse than mine, but I just tend to use a wipe on these. Again, if it's bad, use a damp toothbrush or something like that. No set rules as long as you don't spray anything on it and put loads of water on it. So yeah, just clean the brush how you feel fit. Again, dry it off once you've done this with a microfiber cloth. To clean the outside of the floor tool, just give that a wipe over too. Again, no sprays or anything because there's little vents and stuff it can get into. And then your cleaning is done. The next day we can come back and put the sole plate back in, securing it again with the two screws at the back, and then your soft roller, that goes in the cog end first and it just pushes into fit. Now you can get back to vacuuming. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for if you ever get a problem with your Shark. This next video is showing you how to maintain perfect suction.